We are pleased to show you the 2022 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, wireless charging station, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.